Good morning students. So today we are going to start with our next topic of maths, that is check your division. Okay, so in this one what we have to do, we have to first divide the numbers, then we will check our quotient. Okay, so when we divide a number, then we will check a quotient. So we are having a formula for that, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder equals to dividend. Okay, so what is the formula for us? Formula is quotient into divisor plus remainder, that will be equals to dividend. Okay, sorry, dividend, that will be equal to dividend. So see, if we are having a number, that is we are having 145 and we are dividing this with 2. So see, the first number, it is less than 2, so we will take two numbers. 2 sevens are 14. Subtract them, the remainder will be 0. Then we will put 5 down. 5 ones are 5, 2 twos are 4. So we will write 2 here, 2 twos are 4, subtracted, the remainder will be 1. Okay, so now we have done this division. Now we will check it. Okay, so we will check the division. So what we will do, we will put the values in this formula. So what is quotient here? This is our quotient. You know, this is our remainder and this is our divisor. So what is the formula? Quotient into divisor plus remainder will be equals to dividend. So what is our quotient? Quotient is 72 into divisor is our 2 plus remainder 1, that will be equals to dividend. And you know, this 145 is our dividend. Okay, in the first lecture of this chapter I have told you the basic definition of divisor, dividend. So our 145, the number is known as dividend. So now multiply this 72 in rough page you can do. Okay, this multiplication you can do in the rough page. So 2 twos are 4 and 7 twos are 14. So the answer is 144 plus 1, that will be equals to 145, and this 145 is our dividend. Okay, so we will in the last we will get our dividend, that is 145. So this is how you have to do this exercise. Now see the this exercise, check divide and check our quotient. So first example is, we are dividing 837 divides by 3. Okay, we have to divide 837 divides by 3. So again we will put 3 here, then 837. See the first number, this number is less than, this number is greater than 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Subtract this, 8 minus 6 will be 2. Then we will put 3 down, then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Again subtract this, we are getting 2 as a remainder. Then we will put this 7 down, 3 nines are 27. So the remainder will be 0. Okay. So again we will put this in the formula. So what is the formula? Quotient into what is divisor plus remainder will be equals to our dividend. So what is our quotient? That is 279. This is our quotient. This is 0 is our remainder. So quotient is 279 into divisor. Divisor is our 3. Plus remainder, that is 0, that will be equals to dividend. Now multiply this 279 into 3. 279 into 3. In rough page you can do, okay, this one. 3 9s are 27. 2 we will put carry. 3 7s are 21. Plus 2, 23. 2 carry. 3 2s are 6. And 2 plus, that will be 8. So the answer is 837 plus 0. So when we plus 0 to any number, so we will get the same number, 837. So this is our dividend. Okay, and we are getting the same dividend. So students, in your today's work, what you will do this one, okay, this exercise 5.8, in which you will do these questions in your notebook. Okay, do these questions in your notebook in the same manner. First divide the numbers, then put the values in the formula which is given. Okay, so do all this question, then again do this one. Okay, you have to divide 90 into divided by 8, then see what is the quotient and what is remainder. Okay, so in the second example you are seeing that we are not given dividend. Dividend is not given. We are given with divisor, quotient and remainder. So what we will do, we will put the values in the formula. What is the formula? Quotient into divisor plus remainder will be equals to dividend. So what is our quotient? Quotient is our 7 into divisor, that is 3 plus 1. Okay, 7 into 3 plus 1. So first we will multiply. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, that is 22 will be our dividend. So you have to put the values. This 22 which is the answer, you will write it in the blank of dividend, because this is our dividend. So do this exercise 1 and 2 in your notebook, and this 2 exercise, if when you complete this in your notebook, then fill it in your book. Okay students.